In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a zip file to Google Drive and share the link with others. This can be incredibly useful for anyone who needs to share compressed folders containing multiple files, whether they are documents, photos, or any other type of data, and it also helps keep your files organized and easy to manage. So let's get started first. Make sure you are logged into your Google account and navigate to Google Drive. Once you are on the Google Drive homepage, look towards the left side of your screen and you'll see a button labeled New. Go ahead and click on that. This button allows you to create new folders or upload files, among other things, giving you quick access to all your options in one place. After you click New, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select File Upload. When you do this, your computer's file explorer should pop up, allowing you to browse through your files. Navigate to the location where your zip file is stored, select the file, and then click Open. This action will start the upload process, and you'll see a small box at the bottom right corner of your screen indicating the progress of your upload. Once your zip file is uploaded to Google Drive, locate the file within your drive. You'll probably see it right there on the home page if it's a recent upload. Next, move your cursor to hover over the zip file, then click the right mouse button. This will open a context menu with multiple options. From these options, select Share. Clicking this will pop up the Share with People and Groups window. By default, your file might be set to Restricted, meaning only specific people you add can open it to make your file accessible to anyone who has the link. Click on the word Restricted. A drop-down menu will appear where you'll then select Anyone with the link. This adjusts the settings to make the file shareable via a link. Now that your file is set to anyone with the link, look for the button labeled Copy Link. Click on this, and you've now copied the link to your clipboard. You can paste this link into an email, a chat, or any other form of communication to share the zip file with others. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've uploaded a zip file to Google Drive and are ready to share it with the world. This method ensures that your files are safely stored in the cloud and easily accessible to whoever needs them. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.